Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2004 Toyota RAV4, stock number 6289. This ran from the 7th 2003 to the 10th 2005. It has a 2AZFE 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a 2AZ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, 1 dent. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Rear tailgate, 1 dent. Right rear tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door, 2 dents. Right front guard, no dents. Right front headlight, right front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door, 1 dent, right front door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,